If you were in outer space looking down as a righteous being, you would see a bunch of cop cars and cameras in the black areas and a bunch of satanic cults elsewhere and other non-black groups. And you'd say, what the hell is going on? Why are the good being stigmatized while the evil are being celebrated? Let's not hunger shame. Hunger makes you want to beat people up. You live in the middle of nowhere, you get hungry. Okay? Now where you go with it, whether you get fat or kill somebody, hey, that is depending on, your genetics and a lot of other things that are none of people's business on the one hand. But don't expect people to like you if you're not like them. Okay? To each his own. You see, they also make it harder for blacks to move into nice areas because they put a little cap, a salary cap on blacks, unless they're a complete house nigga, or a complete feminist show. Then they might let them get a little richer, especially if they make friends with certain whites and they bootlick to them. So they are like the reserved VIP example of why you should do it the white man's way. Me personally, I'm not racist. I'm part white, The Italian and black are back. Shout out to my Great Canyon brothers. And I'm out here, by the beach, white people passing by. If I was really racist, I'd be in Oakland or something. You feel me? Not saying that because they're all racist, but you know what I mean. So when you use that flawless insight that God gives us, and you read into one's soul truly, and you're no longer guessing, you know that I'm right, and that the way they've designed and engineered society is dead wrong. And the little subtle bitch shit they do here and there to give their race the upper hand while they make simulations of what happens when you change environmental factors is a disgrace. What you people are doing is wrong, and it's about time you do the right thing. I am the top martial artist in America, and I am being persecuted for my political views. And I base that on a long history of researching martial arts and God, and I've come to the unavoidable conclusion that it is eugenic derived philosophies, or if you will, dark evil philosophies, the eugenics that came as a result, a kind of pseudo-scientific direction of humanity led by the elite, versus an African martial arts system of nature. Okay, and I've seen it this way for a long time. At first I was angry. I called myself a Nubian dragon because I wanted to terrorize the white man for him terrorizing my people and waging a silent war, a covert war with clandestine groups and surreptitious activities that make one's stomach turn. They are repulsive and it is unacceptable. I'm a man of honor. So when you see me hungry in the morning, not having eaten yet, I have to drive far away because my parents, as you can see, are unreasonable. And I don't think I have to convince anyone that they're the type of people that slip drugs in their child's food and call the cops on them for, suspecting he might have had one too many. Ridiculous. When I'm not even drinking and driving. Just overprotective, out of touch, out of control, but book smart. And that is all feminists' problem. My mom, is the shining example of feminism, of success, marrying a brain surgeon, respected in her community of intellectuals, her circles, and not really caring about how she looks, as a lot of feminists took that way with it. Bearded ladies, hairy armpits, legs, what have you. She is the example of feminism at its greatest. And she has betrayed the example of African martial arts at its greatest. For a pseudoscience and a racist tradition that's racist implications and overtones are subtle, yet cannot be missed by the martial artist, who they are aimed at the most. Eugenic derived martial arts philosophies versus African martial arts philosophies. Whose side are you on? They split, so put your hands and leave your balls to the side, 'cause the white man preach genocide.
change.